Welcome back. So in this video we will understand who this course is for. There are a lot of people who need Excel in their daily life, either it is a professional or a personal one. As we talked in the last video that it can do time management, task management. So in a particular spreadsheet you can put your daily task. You can even create your own family budget. So let's go and understand one by one who can use and who should learn this Excel. Financial analyst, they need to learn Excel because majority of the analysis functions are available in Excel. You can use many interest related formula, you know, time related formulas that is being used in financial analysis. Administrative assistants, they can put entries in the Excels and note different entries and their work in the Excel. Retailer store managers, they can put all the products in the Excel and can check that what kind of product are available by using filter or by using control F function. Project manager, yes, they also need this Excel in their day-to-day life, like creating some Gantt chart, some entries, some um, some particular entries that can help them to remember that what projects has been done, what are the timelines and other stuffs in that. Business analysts, yes, they also need this because there are different analysis that you can do by using Microsoft Excel. Human resource planning team also can use forecasting the human resource manpower, different manpower entries like who joined the organization, when they joined the organization, when they left the organization. Such type of entries can be done in Excel. Data analysts, they of course they are doing it, especially the pivot one, and now in the new functions has been added data modeling, power pivot. That is very useful for these data analysts. Budget analyst, yes, they also need to use that because there are different formulas by which they can analyze and they can forecast their budgets, even they can match. Market analysts also require this. Logistic optimization, yes, of course, in logistic terms they need this function. Let's move to another video where we will start to learn what from where we can open Excel, what exactly Excel is.